Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may or may not already know, my name is Alex, aka YELLOOBERRY.
Bite.
So, as you can see by the title of today's video, we are going to do a DIY girlfriend does my quarantine lineup. So this young fella is gonna trust me with not cutting his hair, but lining him up, and you guys are gonna be here to witness. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and definitely answer the poll if you think I'm gonna do a good job, because I think I'm gonna do a good job. How do you feel about it?
I don't know. I don't know how to feel.
Let's get into it. So he doesn't trust me that much, so he wants to see while I'm doing it. I don't think he should see while I'm doing it. But I got a comb and a brush and some clippers. So how you turn this on? This thing over here?
Yeah.
Why is it not working?
I can't even trust you to turn this shit on.
Alright, so we about to get busy. I think you should turn around so they can see what I'm doing.
You gotta make me feel comfortable with something.
Oh gosh, guys, he's so nervous. Put your feet there.
Shit me?
No.
Can I get a background? Like,
my pregnant belly is gonna be bumping. So y'all see how crazy this man look. This is what they used in the video. They used a comb. And they used a brush. Yo, babe, I'm about to hook you up. Alright? Let go. Let me get a little closer. Okay.
oh, nah.
Babe, I got you. Put your head a little bit forward.
You gotta take control of the head. Pause. But don't OD. So, oh my god, you zeeking.
I'm not zeeking you.
You zeeking, yeah, with no more kids.
One and done anyway.
You got him. I don't believe that.
Oh, I forgot what I wanted to do. I wanted to use some liner. So I have a white eyeliner. I'm just gonna kind of outline how one thinks to be. They use powder in the videos, but your girl don't got no powder. Let's look.
I got powder.
Where?
Oh.
No. Can't help you. Where your hairline be stopping? Like up here?
Yo, my nigga.
What?
I don't know.
Cause it's still on your neck.
Got a long neck.
Don't.
Got a long hairline. I don't know, man.
Alright, I'll just do it right here.
You gotta take off some of the hair, so. Wait. Just.
I got you. It's still fairly low, so I can go back. Alright. You're back. Where's the clippers? Thank you. Let go.
Can I see how you. Okay. Man, you about to shave my mole off, my nigga.
Your mole is not even there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Man, you about to shave my mole off now.
I'm not. I'm not.
Baby, chill. Yo, I'm shook, son.
Don't be shook. Don't be shook.
Ow, my
Sorry.
nigga, damn.
That's how it looked like he's doing in the video.
Nah, you niggas low-key gentle sometimes.
Oh, maybe this is when they use the brush. The comb and brush.
You could use a comb and just relax.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Now you about to look official. Look at the fucking toothbrush.
Put your head forward. Okay. Is your head straight? Nah, this looks crispy.
Shut the fuck
Hold
up.
your ear.
You gotta do that.
What?
Fuck, I look like holding my ear up in the...
They be having me hold my ear in the hair salon.
Hey, what the fuck? Like, why are you like stabbing me with it?
I'm sorry, I don't realize how rough I am. Nah, you looking smooth, boy. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Turn to the side.
Can you curve it though? Don't make it like a box on the back of my neck.
Baby, I just learned today it's all curving.
This shit better be straight.
I think it's straight.
Yeah, if it ain't straight, that's your ass.
Alright, let's do the front.
The fuck ain't even line this shit up? What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
Let me go in the mirror.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna hit the front. Oh yeah, so the comb in, right? Or brush it. I'm supposed to be doing it.
Yeah, I don't know, babe.
My thing's sharp. Nah, this looks good.
Babe, stop your nonsense.
Babe, it's mad sharp.
What's good?
The line. It's better than what you got going on right now. How long has it been? Like 2 months?
Shit, I'd rather look like I ain't tried than look like I tried and failed.
Alright, y'all. This is the part that gets crazy.
Oh my god.
Babe, I got you.
Oh my god, hold on.
Babe, I got you messing it up.
Just take off a little bit of the...
I got you. See how
Just a
you
little
know?
bit. You holding it scares me.
Am I holding it wrong?
You're not writing on paper. No.
I was holding it
Just
right.
a thumb in the back. Let go. Let go.
Like this? I don't like this though.
Alright, do how you comfortable. This is some bullshit. Hey, hold on. Stop.
What?
It's not even straight.
Babe, I didn't even go with there. I just took off your widow speak. Cause look, I have to. I don't know.
Don't, cause this side my hair be growing weird, so you gotta be very careful on this side.
Yeah, I didn't go over there yet. I literally stopped right here. That you just don't have no hair there. I didn't do that. That's just how it is.
I didn't say anything about that.
Oh, what you talking about?
Just do it. Wait, hold on, stop. Don't be laughing while you're doing my hair, my nigga.
But look,
Get it out now. Get it out now.
Let them see. It looks nice.
Get the laughing out now.
You say you like it long, right?
No.
Yeah, you did.
I don't like it too short, but I don't like it too long.
Well, I ain't taking nothing off up there. I just took off the little hair that was there. Yo, you looking fresh. Look at this side and look at this side. Exactly. No, it's not. You like it round, right?
Hold on. Wait.
It's okay. I got it.
Wait, pause it. What are you talking about like it round? Don't round shit.
Like the back, you said.
Don't round nothing. Don't round nothing. Nothing.
I thought the back was supposed to match the front.
Just line.
Alright, but it's not as bad, right? Alright, I think I'm done. You got hair clogging it up. Matter of fact, I like it better on this side. I just need you to turn.
Wait. Oh,
That don't make sense.
Let me turn this thing, man. It's not happening.
I don't even know if I'm taking off anything on this side. Let me go back here.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I'm supposed to go like this, right?
Oh, hold on.
What?
I felt hair dropping. I don't know if he's dropping like that. Yo, pay attention. Wait, stop laughing. Stop laughing.
I'm done.
No, you're not. You're still smiling.
Cause smile. Who stops laughing and just put the straight face on?
Yeah, hold on. You're too rough. Calm down.
It's not coming off.
But to slip my throat, man. Ouch, nigga. Damn, hold on. You battling. You gonna cut me.
You gonna cut somebody with these?
I done got cut mad time.
Alright, baby. I think you're good. I think I'm done.
No, what you doing? Stop playing.
No, there's a little bit of hair right there. I'm not touching that. I just don't want to do too much.
My mother's gone!
It's so dumb.
Hey, you ain't cursing.
I don't want to mess it up. I think you should just leave it and let Joshua fix it. And this is the front.
It's slanted.
Babe, I didn't do that part.
So who did? They saw you fuck me up.
Babe, I just followed the way your hairline was before.
Nah, much more.
But I just want to thank you all for watching. Please comment down in the comment box below if you think I did a good job for a first time pregnant girlfriend who just had to cut her boyfriend's hair in quarantine.
Barber's comment down below with your name and address. Price, all that. I need something.
Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!